Hello everybody, today we're reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want to yes. A what? A ball, a hat, a swim, shoot.